Are you tired of being tired all the time? Do you wake up feeling like you haven't sleep at all even after 8 hours in bed? You are not alone, and today we are diving into the 5 hidden reasons behind your fatigue and powerful home remedies to fix it naturally. Welcome back to the Health Vault, your space for natural health, real remedies, and wellness wisdom. If you are ready to boost your energy and take back your day, hit the like button and let's go. First, let's understand this. Everyday fatigue is not just about working too much or sleeping too little. It's a silent signal from your body saying, hey, something is off. This tiredness is deeper. It's mental fog, lack of motivation, body heaviness, and sometimes even sadness. But what if the real cause is not what you think? Let's uncover the 5 hidden causes you may never have thought of and how to naturally fix them. 1. Hydration, the silent energy thief. When your body is lack of water, your body thickens and your heart works harder to pump it. This leaves you sluggish. Start your day with 1 glass of warm water plus lemon, pinch of pink salt. Sip water throughout the day. Use the 14:20 rule. 40 minutes work, 20 sip of water. You will feel the difference in energy within 2 days. 2. Vitamin D and B12 deficiency, the energy killer. Low vitamin D and B12 level can cause weakness, low mood, and muscle pain. Sit in early morning sunlight for 15 minutes. Add homemade curd, paneer, egg, or milk for your diet. For B12, have a spoon of nutritional yeast or include sprouted mung. Here is the bonus tip. 1 soaked raisins plus 1 soaked almond every morning boost your energy. 3. Poor gut health, the root of tiredness. Your gut is your second brain. If it's imbalanced, your energy crashes. Drink jeera, ajwain, fennel water every night. Half teaspoon of each. Boil 1 glass of water. Eat fermented foods like dosa, idli or kanji. Avoid white sugar and processed food. Feel lighter, less bloated and more energetic in just 3-4 days. 4. Mental overload or dopamine burnout. Constant phone scrolling, notification and overthinking overload your brain. This causes dopamine burnout. Practice 10 minutes of deep belly breathing before bed. Do a 15-minute sunset walk without your phone. Try to dopamine detox once a week. No phone, no screen for 4 hours. Just natural journeying or music. You will feel restless first, but then recharge like never before. 5. Thyroid or hormone imbalances. Especially in women, tiredness can come from unnoticed thyroid issues. Eat selenium-rich foods like sunflower seeds, basil nuts. Add ashwagandha powder, 1/4 teaspoon with milk at night. Keep a fixed sleep-wake routine to balance hormones. Even a 7 days routine can shift your energy level massively. Here is a powerful daily mix to beat tiredness. 1 glass of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of honey plus 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder plus pinch of turmeric. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach. Thank me later. If you are constantly tired, your body is not lazy. It's just asking to care. You don't need pills, just powerful habits. Try these remedies for 7 days and watch your energy transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment below which remedy you are trying first, and subscribe to the Health Vault for more natural healing and wellness tips every week. Remember, your health is your real wealth. Stay healthy, stay happy from the Health Vault.